You've seen the glossy ads, the promises of easy money. Shopify, the magical platform that turns anyone into a successful entrepreneur, right? Wrong. Let's cut through the BS and get real about Shopify Honest Review 2024. I've been there, dazzled by the shiny object, ready to dive headfirst into the world of e-commerce. But is Shopify really the golden ticket to online success? Let's find out. Click the link in the description below of this video to use Shopify 30 days free trial. Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that empowers individuals and businesses to establish and manage online stores. It serves as the backbone of countless online ventures, offering a robust suite of tools designed to streamline the selling process. At its core, Shopify provides a user-friendly interface that allows users to create visually appealing online storefronts without the need for extensive technical expertise. From selecting a theme to customizing layouts, merchants can design stores that reflect their brand identity and resonate with their target audience. Beyond aesthetics, Shopify excels in product management. It offers features to efficiently add, edit, and organize product listings, including detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and pricing information. Inventory tracking and management are also integral components, ensuring accurate stock levels and preventing overselling. A crucial aspect of any online store is the ability to securely process payments. Shopify integrates with multiple payment gateways, enabling merchants to accept a variety of payment methods, such as credit cards, digital wallets, and even in-person payments through point-of-sale systems. To ensure a seamless customer experience, Shopify provides tools for managing shipping and fulfillment. Merchants can set up shipping rates, generate shipping labels, and track orders from the time of purchase to delivery. For businesses handling their own fulfillment, Shopify offers inventory management features to optimize stock levels and order processing. Marketing is essential for driving traffic and sales. Shopify offers built-in marketing tools, including email marketing, social media integration, and SEO optimization. These features help merchants promote their products, engage with customers, and increase brand visibility. To make data-driven decisions, Shopify provides analytics and reporting tools. Merchants can gain insights into customer behavior, sales performance, and marketing effectiveness. This information is invaluable for optimizing store operations and identifying growth opportunities. In essence, Shopify is more than just an online store builder. It's a platform that equips entrepreneurs with the necessary tools to launch, manage, and grow successful online businesses. By handling the complexities of e-commerce, Shopify allows merchants to focus on what truly matters, building a strong brand and delivering exceptional customer experiences. If you have any questions about Shopify, leave your comment in the comment section and click the link in the description of this video to use Shopify 30 days free trial.